I am Dr. Siva, and I really hope you'll join me at Esalen. I have two very different but both amazing workshops coming up. One is on July 31st. It's a weekend deep dive into emotional wellness and Ayurveda. And the next one is August 3rd through 7th. And that one is really all around taking control of your health, putting yourself in the driver's seat by developing a personal wellness strategy. So if you've got some chronic issues, some abnormal labs, feel like there have been some gaps in your healthcare, and you really want to bring it all together and understand a systems level framework to do that, that would be Heal Yourself, August 3rd through 7th. We all have this incredible emotional operating system, and we're not really taught how to understand what the messages are between our feelings, how to identify our deeper emotional needs, how we're supposed to understand our emotional cycles and greater context and navigate our emotional experience in life, which we all know eventually affects every other part of us and even is the root cause for so many illness patterns that we see in the body. This is work that you're not going to find in your therapist's office. You're definitely not going to find in your doctor's office, but yet it is pivotal to your health and well-being. So I think it's beautiful that you can come to Esalen and have an experience like this where not only are you learning a model and a skill set, but you're also experiencing the magic of my guest teachers who bring world-class music and somatic movement healing. So not only are you going to learn, but you're also going to experience an experience like this, a weekend like this. It's so beautiful to see what people look like at the beginning of the weekend and what they look like at the end of the weekend. The transformation that happens in 3 days.